observed that not fate itself, but worrying about fate gets people in trouble. An archer, for example, may shoot perfectly during practice, but horribly when he competes for a prize. As soon as we desire a specific outcome, we worry about not achieving it. The archer of Zhuangzi's story shoots just fine if he only shoots for the sake of shooting. But when there's a prize in his view, he starts caring more, even though his skill hasn't changed. He thinks more of winning than of shooting, and the need to win drains him of power, Zhuangzi stated. So how should we handle fate? How do we treat an uncertain future with a possibility of fortune or misfortune? Lizi tells us about an older man from the kingdom of Qi who was afraid that the sky would fall and the earth would break up. And if that happens, he would have no place to run and his death would be unavoidable. So a friend tried to calm him down by assuring him that the sky won't fall, so there was nothing to worry about. Then a sage told him there is, in fact, a possibility of the sky falling, although the chances are small, so the elder shouldn't be too concerned. Then Lizi chuckled and said, "It's nonsense even to think about whether heaven and earth can or cannot be destroyed. Whether they will perish or not is something we don't know. If heaven and earth will not perish, that's great. We can live our lives without worry. However, if they will perish, that's something we can't do much about, so why worry about it?" End quote. The old Taoist sage stated that there is no point in occupying ourselves with the question of whether or not the earth will perish. It's something completely out of our control. If it happens, it happens. Moreover, we don't even know what this fate we fear entails exactly. What's it like to be dead? Or, for example, what happens after we lose our jobs or our marriages end? We assume these happenings are disasters, even though they could be blessings in disguise. Again, whatever happens, it's out of our control anyway, so worrying about it is a waste of time.